Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we will explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which ice maker is right for you. The Electactic Ice Maker features a sleek black design that fits well in any kitchen, while the DUMOS Ice Maker stands out with its vibrant green color and convenient handle for portability. The design choice may influence your decision based on your kitchen aesthetics and how often you plan to move the ice maker. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production speeds, with the Electactic producing 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, and the DUMOS slightly ahead at 26.5 pounds. Both machines can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for your ice-making needs. Both the Electactic and DUMOS ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning functions, making maintenance a breeze. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who want to ensure their ice maker remains hygienic without the hassle of manual cleaning. In conclusion, both the Electactic and DUMOS ice makers present excellent features for anyone in need of a countertop ice maker. The DUMOS offers a handle for easier portability, while the Electactic boasts a sleek design. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your aesthetic preference and specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.